next set of exercise would be for the double chin and also for the oval. The double chin might be a problem not only for people with extra weight, but skinny people have that problem as well. So I'm going to apply a product here on my jaw, like that. So we begin the exercise with the swipes. But it's not just like that, we need to apply pressure. We apply pressure, move up, we apply pressure, move up, and again, and again. I love this exercise. We feel the pressure. It's very good. Sometimes you might feel that you work really close here to here, really feel the bone. You might feel that your bone is not like even, it has the bumps. So we need to massage whatever accumulated over there with time. We need to make sure we get rid of that. So we work, and finish up with the next swipe. For the next exercise, I'm going to make sure I have enough product on my face. Right here. So we're positioning our thumbs here, right here. What's important here is to put your tongue down. We need to create the pressure when our thumbs kind of press against the tongue, or vice versa. You feel with your tongue the pressure coming from your thumbs, like that. So once we mastered that thing, we put our hands here. And this is the move we make. So we position the thumbs, and if I'm showing you without the thumbs, it's going to be just like that. At the same time, your thumbs are fighting your tongue. Put it in position. And down. We do not hold anything, we just do the swipes. At this point, my face is already on fire, and that's amazing. It will surely wake you up in the morning. So we repeat this, we do 8-10 swipes as usual. And the next exercise is also very good for the double chin. We take a fist. If you could sit on the table to have something to press against, that's good. But you could do it without a table as well. So you put your fist under the chin, but I don't want you to put it like that. I want you to put all the way under here. And we repeat the same thing we did with our tongue. We put the tongue down and we hold. We hold for 5-6 seconds. And then repeat it again. You could change hands if you want to. And then we repeat this exercise. Maybe another 5 times.